Oops. It's over. No, they write it. They want to get the book.
You see that guy almost fall over?
Yeah. Some of them are tilting them too far to the side.
Oh, no wonder why the guy's feeding the birds. When they come close, he'll throw food up in the air to them. You missed it. There he goes. Now that was a lazy bird. He stood in the water and looked at the guy and opened his beak. These guys are pretty good. They're catching the food in the air. Look at him. He's feeding him McDonald's French fries. It's good. My dog loves them too. Oh, this is funny.
Oh, good.